Hi, Kaiser again. Today you are gonna see a MockUp t-shirt where you can change all the color by yourself. Also, you can add any logo on that mockup. So you can see that I already get a random photo on here and I already re-edited for making a proper visualization after finishing the mockup t-shirt. So you can see all the layers. I have displace layers and t-shirt layers, displace for distort, displace. So right now we are going to start from the beginning, step by step, so you can understand how to use this mockup after download, how to change the logos, how can replace your logos on that mockup, how to change the t-shirt color. So take solid color fill so we can change the color of t-shirt whenever we want, then add clipping mask on here. After that, change the blending option into color so it looks more realistic. You can add raster mask if you want, but here it is not necessary to do. Now we're gonna remove this part. Now we need to adjust the level of color fill, so we are gonna add the levels so we can change the level of solid color fill, I mean the t-shirt. Whenever we want, we can change the t-shirt color into bright or deep, anywhere we want. Even we can change the t-shirt color black into white, and make sure you add all the clipping mask on each layer. Alright, it looks pretty cool because we have already color fill for change the color of t-shirt whenever we want. Also we have adjustment layer of level for changing the color tone into any color. So this is the best option for having this kind of mockup where you can change any color of your t-shirt. Also you can replace any logos you want. So everything is here, you can see, is free, no copyright. You can use it for your freelancer website. You can submit anywhere you want. You can submit the main file you want. I'm not gonna claim anything, everything is done by me, so it's totally copyright free. Just go to the description link and download from there. And if you have any kind of questions about it, if you're stuck anywhere, just leave a comment here. We can contact with you, we can tell you the exact thing what to do. Now it is time to add the logo. I'm gonna make a folder where you can replace the logo. So I'm gonna choose a logo, it's designed by me. Also you are gonna have the main file of it. That's a good thing, you are gonna get so many things from me which is totally free. Now we are gonna change the size of logo and we are gonna add it on the t-shirt. You can see it's too large. Right now we are gonna place the logo on the right place so it's look a little bit better. And we need to make this logo more realistic so it can show more realistic whenever you replace the logo. But first we need to make this logo as a backup. For that I'm gonna choose the mouse and I'm gonna go straight to the layer panel on the logo layer. Then I'm gonna duplicate the layer by clicking on here. Then I'm gonna change the name as a place logo here. You can place the logo on that place, just double click on it, then another window will pop up. But first that logo need texture since it looks flat, also not realistic. Let's come straight back to the displace layer, visible only displace layer, then press Ctrl+Shift+U for desaturated. You can add little bit blur on it for having the more detailed texture, but it's not necessary always. I'm adding Gaussian blur on here, 0.3, so it makes more detailed texture when we add it on the logo as a displace. So right now it's done, converted into smart object. Now we are straight back to the logo portion and visible all the layers so you can see the changes. And then we're gonna name it as a new displace. Alright, make sure this layer is not visible because we don't need that for visible. we just need to keep it for add as a texture on the layer of logo. So let's come back to the logo panel. We don't need blending option right now. We are gonna add some kind of filter which can help us to match the logo with folds of the clothes so it looks more realistic. So let's add Liquify on here and enable the background. Choose any tool from the left side on the panel. Use the tools on the logo according to the folds and stain of the clothes so it will look more realistic. Let's have a look. Now we can see that logo is matched with folds and stain of the fabrics. Only thing we need to do right now is adding the texture. Also, you can change the Liquify filter by clicking on there on the layer panel. So let's go to the filter and select the distort and select the displace. Well, here's the problem that we can't find the source of smart object that we made earlier as a new displace. So that PSD file not showing on this panel. So this kind of problem we face most of the time. Why this kind of problem comes? Actually, whenever you come to distort to displace panel, you need to convert that layer before do that. So I come back and check everything, and I need to check on the filter can we find it, because I already converted that layer into smart object. You can see that I can't still find that. So the best solution right now, just go back to the layer, convert that new displace into smart object again, then come back to the displace panel. So convert the layer into smart object again. Then we are gonna select the logo that we want to displace. Alright, click on the logo, then come back to the filter that we were working earlier. Yeah, you can see that we can find the new displace.psd file here. Now you can see that the logo little bit moved right side and it is not on the center of the t-shirt, and we need to work on it. You can see that all the layers, all the tasks are done now. We need to focus on logo, and after that we are done with all these things. We can replace the logo whenever we want. We can change the color of t-shirt whenever we want. We can save it with any resolution, and we can submit anywhere. So right now we're gonna place this logo on the center. Now click on the blending option. Now we are going to reduce the dark background color from the blend if option. Well, we cannot reduce the background color so much or else it won't be visible. So we can press the Alt button, then we can change the dark background color by using left mouse button left to right. In this way we can see that the logo is visible clearly. Also, we will see that the distorted displace will be slightly visible. You can choose your way how much dark amount you want to add on here. So when you are done, just click the OK. Then we can take a look, because we are done with all these things. We added t-shirt color, we add logo, and we match the fold and stain of clothes, and everything looks so realistic. Alright, so this design is copyright free. You can download from the link. Then you can add your logo or your client logo on this t-shirt by clicking on place logo here. You can see that new window pop up. Drag all the logo one by one there and press Ctrl+S. Then you can see that logo on this t-shirt, same as like this one. So everything is done. We can change the color of t-shirt. We can add any logo without any hard work. Just drag the logo on there and press Ctrl+S as I say. Let's take a look. It seems like we can change any color that we want. So leave comment and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bells, because we upload video every week with the main file. So you're gonna get the main file, whatever you can submit anywhere, and it will help you. Or you can use it as a practice station by watching this video. So everything is so useful, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day and stay healthy that way.